lip gloss easier? Yes, it is. And these are the things you need to make lip gloss. So once you gather all your ingredients and material, it's time for you to make your first lip gloss. Pour your lip gloss base into the bowl. Make sure you measure it. That's what the measurement scale is for. And you should know how to convert your ingredients. How to convert your ingredients from percentage to weight and from weight to percentage. That way you will make the same batch over and over again without no mistakes. Some people say just eyeball it. Yes, that's fine. When I started 3 years ago, I was just eyeballing my formula. But knowing what I know now, I usually measure my ingredients and write down every single process just the first time or for the first quarter. And that's it. Add your liquid pigment, your macro, glitter, whatever pigment you use. Keep on stirring. Some people say you should stir slowly to avoid air bubbles. I just stir. Okay, my consistency might be different from yours, but yeah, this is how you make lip gloss. It's very simple, so you can do it. Don't complicate. Bye.